Hello, this is Dr. Dan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Keiser Live. In every one of your classes in your program, you will have Keiser Live sessions. It's important to understand how to use Keiser Live and communicate with your professor and other classmates. The first thing you do is go into your course room, which you can see right here, and on the left side of the menu, you will have a link called Keiser Live. You click on that link, and that will bring up a screen like this. On this screen, you will have, or you may have, some scheduled sessions, but more than likely your professor will communicate when weekly sessions will be. So all you'll have to do is come up to this line right here, click on the unlocked available session, and join the course room. You may not have all of these options over here like I have, but you'll have a button that'll say join course room. I encourage you to use Google Chrome. Google Chrome tends to work the best for Keiser Live. Once you're in the room, it may say empty if you're a little bit early. You do have some options in the room. I want to show you those so that way you know how, again, to communicate with your classmates and anyone else, including your professor in the course room. The first thing I will show you is if you have a microphone and camera on your computer, you can go ahead and share audio by clicking this button right here. You can also click on this button right here to share video. If you don't have a microphone or camera, which I do encourage you to get, it's very low cost considering how much you will use that throughout the entirety of your program. In the meantime, if you do not have audio, you also can dial into the session. On the upper left corner up here, you can see these three lines. If you scroll on those lines, it says Open Session Menu. Click on that, and you will have an option of use your phone for audio. Click on that, and you will see where there will be a phone number and a PIN number. Go ahead and dial in using that phone number, enter the PIN, and you will be talking in the classroom. Finally, on the lower left-hand part of the screen, you'll see a couple little arrows here. It says, when I scroll over that, Open Collaborate panel. If you click on that, this is where you are able to enter information in the chat area. And depending on the level of participation, like I right now am the administrator, so I have a few other options here. And at times you may be taught how to use that if you're giving a presentation yourself using a Keiser Live session. Once the session's over, you will have the opportunity to view recordings. Up in the upper left-hand corner of the session menu here, you will see where it says Menu once I scroll over the three little lines. If you click on that, you will see Recordings. Click on Recordings, and there is the opportunity you have to view all of the previous classes, previous Keiser Live sessions that have been held in your course. I hope this helps, and I do highly encourage you to attend every single week the Keiser Live sessions, as they are a critical supplementary part of your education. Thanks a lot. This is Dr. Dan, and I wish you a happy day.